This screencast will help you make your graph for your final lab report. If you follow the directions on the handout, you'll be able to do it as well. But this will just give you a graphic visual on how you're going to make your graph. So the first thing that you're going to do is open up a blank workbook in Microsoft Excel. In cell A1, type type of liquid. Then below A1, type water. Go down another line and type apple cider vinegar. And then in the last line, go ahead and type white vinegar. Then if you go to the cell B1, you're going to type day 1. C1, type day 2, and keep going on for 5 days in D1, E1, and F1. Once you are done with that, you're going to fill in the averages for each day. So on your spreadsheet in each of your tables in your lab report, you took averages for each day. So you're going to go ahead and type in all your averages. Once you're done, you're only going to highlight what you typed in. If you highlight any more boxes, it's going to mess up your graph. Once you highlight what you typed, you're going to click the Insert tab at the top of the screen. Then you're going to click on Charts, and you want to pick the chart that says Scatter or Bubble Chart. Go ahead and click on that, and you're going to choose the fourth graph, which is Lines with Markers. Your graph should pop up. What you need to do is click on the plus sign on the right-hand side of your graph, and you want to insert your axis titles. Now you're going to change the title, your y-axis title, and your x-axis title, and then you're done. You need to make sure that you copy and paste your graph into your lab report on Google Classroom.